If your Fortnite is stuck on checking for updates or the game just won't open, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through exactly what's happening and what you need to do. Just follow along carefully. First, here's the most important thing to understand. Today, a huge number of players are experiencing the exact same issue. When we look at the server status graph, that big red line at the top shows that Fortnite servers are currently down, and that's the main reason why your game isn't loading or updating. So before trying anything else, remember, this problem is not from your phone, your PC, or your internet. It's a server-side issue happening on Fortnite's end. Now, what should you do? Since this is a server outage, there's no setting you can change to fix it instantly. The only solution, and the one that works every time, is simply to wait. Server issues usually get fixed within a few minutes or sometimes within an hour. You don't need to reinstall your game, change devices, or reset anything. As soon as the servers come back online, your Fortnite will start working normally again. Once some time has passed, open Fortnite again and check if the game loads properly. If the servers are restored, you should be able to play without any problems. And that's it. This checking for updates issue is happening to many players today, and it will be fixed automatically once the servers are stable. If you still face any other Fortnite problems after the servers are back up, feel free to comment and I'll help you out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tips.